Brian McKnight mixed with Stevie Wonder mixed with Michael Pangilinan. Diba?
Sama-sama na.
Ang ganda eh. Parang mararamdaman mo yung sakit ng story dun sa beat. Parang sayang na lang.
It suits you. It suits your soul.
Oh, nice.
It suits you, me or him? But anyway though, I love it. I'm gonna download it by Spotify. Is it? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. I love it. Okay, so okay, more of the questions. What's next with Michael Pangilinan? Cute no
Di ko alam eh. Ano bang, Mels? Ano bang plano sa akin? Wala eh. Actually, yan lang. Actually, busy ako sa business, sa gym, saka sa basketball. Pero dito sa career ko, hindi ko alam paano nangyayari. So, madami naman daw. And abangan nilang nila. Follow lang nila ako sa mga social media accounts ko para to keep them updated. And, ayan. Yung music video na tayo na lang is coming out very, very soon. I think hopefully this month, ma-release na yung
I'm gonna look for
music video. And na. May mga shows dito and mamaya na natin
kasi yung who made the beat?
Manalo. Star Music.
Lagi nagdadala ng emotion.
Actually.
Okay, honestly, I'm not a fan of R&B that much. Parang, I have idols sa R&B, pero that is the R&B music that I like. Because of the beat and the story.
Home, ang album ko po still available sa Record Force nationwide for only 199 pesos. 199 pesos. It has 12 tracks, 4 originals, 4 covers, and 4 revivals. And it's also available on Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, and One Music PH. And my shows. May 14, Robinson Star Mills with K-Cal and Alexa Ilacad. May 21, Star Mall San Jose with K-Cal. May 27, Vista Mall Pampanga with Arana. May 28, Robinson's Luisita with Arana. And my social media accounts. Instagram ko po, KHEL, that's Kel.Pangilinan. My Twitter account is Kel Pangilinan. And my Facebook account is Facebook fan page. It's Michael Pangilinan Official. That's
Okay, follow na!
Yeah!
Anyway, no, ang dami mo talaga fans.
Your phone's probably picking right now with notifications.
Ganun yung tunog na.
Pero mabilis kasi marami. Anyway, do you want to greet some people na...
I'd like to greet everybody who's listening right now, and also my family, my friends, and kung sino man lahat na nakikinig ngayon. Sa inyo lahat, maraming salamat. Thank you for listening. And that's it.
So thank you again. Thank you.
Thank you so
Mr. Michael Pangilinan.
Parang sobrang formal ng Mr. Mike.
Michael Pangilinan.
Brother Michael na lang. Parang naman pastor. Brother Michael.
Bro, Michael Pangilinan. Thank you for gracing us with your presence. Thank you for tayo na lang. Thank you, God, for Michael Pangilinan.
Oh my God. Thank you, Home Radio, for having me. 97.9. Thank you so much. Sana makabalik ka dito. Thank you. Yes. I'd love it.
Anyway, next up we got something from Lady Gaga. It's called The Cure on 97.9.
Home radio.
Yeah.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
Isang Catherine kasi isang Jessica.
Catherine and Jessica.
Sama mo kayo ulit. Ito birthday lang. Birthday po. 1, 2, 3. Hi Catherine, happy birthday to you. Jessica, 1, 2, 3. Hello Jessica, sana i-live yung birthday mo. And ayun, happy birthday to you. Sana wish ko lahat ng maganda sa buhay, mag-inform mo. Thank you.
So thank you. You're also live on Facebook. Parang hindi ko nasabi.
He's here! What up?
That...
Yeah. Sigaw na sigaw yan sa kantinong nalaman na nandito siya. Hindi ka sumama ka na.
Okay na tayo.
Yeah.
Finish na?
Yeah.
Kunin ko lang po yung ano ulit.
Okay po.
Thank you.
Yun!
Salamat po. Okay, go.
For here.
Oh, sige.
So, the document is
Pwede ka mag-stop.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you, guys.
Yung ano,
Ano si MJ, Lauren, Kathleen, Joman.
sulat na lang natin. MJ Lauren.
Hindi mo po kami tapos.
Ay, hindi pa pala. Alright. Sabay-sabay ko na lang.
Pwede na tayo.
Go. So, recording ako.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And
Tapos
MJ
siya ko lang.
Lauren.
Lauren.
Lauren. MJ, Lauren, Kathleen, Giselle, Athea, Jo-Marie, and Angel. Hello sa inyo lahat.
Nung last time na
Guys, soon and God bless you all.
Nakita ba ako doon?
In-interview ko sila. In-interview ko siya.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you
check
po,
out
sir. Wala.
Sabi ka muna, Gab.
Gabi.
Yan,
Pang ano yan? Yung broadcasting. Kita sila.
Yan po yung dalawa. Aba?
Ba't director ka rin?
Yo! Diba? Ay, sino
Para
ka?
sa
Ay, sino ka?
One,
Lapit pa, Jo. Ano?
one, two.
Wow, dami oh. Okay.
Thank you po.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you po, sir.
Oh,
Thank you. Salamat.
Thank you.
Ah, well,
Yes, the applicants na. She's taking the applicants. Ano, ako na.
ako lang.
Kung ano na nangyari.
So that's a wrap, Michael Pangilinan and on Home Radio. Yep.
Stop mo na yung live.
Yep, and stay tuned for more music and more. Maybe we have more guests coming up. Maybe not today, but the next days. All right. Thanks, man.
Gabi, taas ka